Now is a function for translation. Can translate among different languages.
Okay, when we in library, we want to borrow a book such as operating system. We just need to talk to paper that we want to borrow a book. Then we say the book name. So the book name will automatically remove to our MySQL database. Okay, our video is over.
Okay. Yes. Do you want to add anything else? Otherwise, yeah, we can start the Q&A as well.
Scenario, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. And then I just want to know how the content was changed in the futures. Like when the library buy the new books, how do you change the content in your program?
I think something we need to do is first when we buy some new books. Currently, we need human being to make some operations. For example, we need to enter the new information of the book into our database. Then, based on the information of database, paper can make some determination for us.
So, which means the content can only be changed by the developer, not the library admin, right?
Sorry, could you repeat it again?
And where the content can only be changed by the developer, or the content can be changed by the library admin in the future?
Our current system, for example, paper, actually, in some kind of situation, the contents can be changed by paper itself, because we have made such kind of programming language inside the paper system, but not including all kind of situations.
Okay, yeah, maybe I think if possible, then you can divide developer content change database that so that the library admin or other people who don't understand the program, they can change the content very easily.
Yes, I think it's a very good suggestion. We may consider this for our next step.
Yeah, and so can students borrow the book by using this program?
Yes, of course. Students can utilize this system to borrow books.
Now, how do you allocate the role? Like in this scenario, you at least have the library admin or students or teachers. How do you allocate this role in your system, in your program?
How did we allocate to what? Allocate to?
I mean, and maybe.
Oh, you mean how to judge the actor, the role actor, right? Who is student or who is the teacher?
Yeah, I guess the student can. Yes, please.
This is realized by our user interface. We can put some information about human identification. For example, you are a student or you are a professor. We have such kind of information input. So paper can recognize this kind of information and can make a response automatically. Oh, that means the Internet Explorer, the version may be too low, so it's not make a good compatible with paper system.
Okay,
due to the version difference, yes.
How did you fix it?
我们在那个 Java Spring Boot 上查询资料，然后通过它以前的接口来实现的。
Oh, okay. I think we solve these difficulties by working on JavaScript language. We have do some research and find some old interface. So this old interface can help us to solve this problem.
So are you the teacher or the team member?
Yes, I'm a team leader. I'm a team leader.
Oh, you are the team leader of 2 teams, right?
Yes, we have 2 teams.
Great, great. Now how was the task allocated within the team?
Okay, for each team, we have 4 or 5 students. For new students, for example, new students enter into our university for the first year, we will make allotment. If any student, if he have some any interesting about robot development, join our team and we can work together. Of course, we also have other kind of team leaders. Different students may perform different kinds of tasks. Some students work on programming. Some students may do some research about artificial intelligence, like voice recognition or face recognition, something like this. Someone may, for example, need to produce PPT or report anything else. Actually, we work as a team and we work very happy.
Okay, great. Hope we can talk later after the competition.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, the team Zafu Robot 2. I think, yes, we have a few more seconds to go until 3 o'clock, which will go to the next team. Yeah, thanks a lot for the Zafu Robot 2. Thank you. So the next team,
thank you.
And the final team for today will be the Huang A Ma. Yeah, are you here? You may share your screen.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
The PPT is not is right.
So hold on. Yes, we are seeing Pepper. Right, yes, I think yes,
Okay.
that's the PPT, right? Yeah, you may start now.
Okay. Good afternoon, dear judge. This is Huang Ama Group from Hangzhou Dianzi University. Before we start the demonstration, please allow us to briefly introduce it. We devised a robot salesman for contactless beverage store. The mobile cart in front of us is the bar of the beverage store, and Pepper is waiting at the bar for customers who need service. The 2 chairs next to the wall are the resting area. The vacant area at the end of the corridor is assumed to be the door of the store, and after starting the display, new customer mic will appear from there. Wait a minute.
Okay, I'm Salesman Pepper. Would you like some drinks? I need to check your VIP information to help you get the best deal by face recognition. Please look at my head, as the tablet shows. Are you the first time to my shop?
Yes.
Could you tell me your name? I'll remember what you ordered for next time.
Mac.
Hello, Mike. You ordered a Coke last time. Would you like a Coke today?
Yes.
We have Coke, tea, coffee, wine today. Which drink do you want?
Coffee.
Okay, after scanning the QR on the tablet for paying, I'll take the coffee for you soon. Get it. Wait a minute. I'll be back with your coffee. The chair on the left is not available. I think you can seat on the right.
Okay.
Here you are. Enjoy. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are Huang Group. Our technical explanation will cover the following four, sorry. We are covering the four topics.
So
First is the research back, hello?
I think the screen, there's some problem. Probably we are seeing a green.
Wait.
Wait a moment.
Now it's okay?
No.
Our technical explanation will cover the following four parts. First is the research. Sorry.
It's green again.
Green again.
Yes, there's some connection problem probably.
Wait a minute.
Yes, now it's good again.
Wait.
Yes, it's good now.
Okay. First is research background. Due to the cost of labor, robots have come into our daily life. The demand of robots for maintaining order, extermination, supply deliver is increasing due to epidemic, and implemented the robot salesman with these four functions. The first, I see. I don't know how. Wait a minute. Now, can you see our presentation PPT and provide service? To implement the requirement, we use waving detection. In our subconscious mind, waving to someone means to get their attention. So we used green again.
No, it's good. Please continue.
Okay. Sorry. That's so we used our we used Pepper dual vision camera and internal person reading event to achieve Pepper automatically working to provide you with quick order your next visit to the store. For new customer, Pepper can input information by both voice and typing, which is friendly to elderly who do not use smartphone and disabled people. The last is seat guide and indoor localization, which means Pepper can go back to the bar to wait for the next customer when his service is done. Instead of rows, we adopt visual localization technique called landmark detection, which is more beginner friendly. The third part is our explanation is the innovation. First, we developed with Pinocchio instead of CoreGraph, which means implementing more features as needed without the limitation of function blocks. We have good human-computer interaction experience with suggestive animations in tablets and body movements. We can use text or voice dual input method to order drinks when reflects the care for people. Stability. The robots will return to the bar after completing the order tasks and automatically start preparing for the next service. Facilitates factory development. The most we tried this time was to use Pinocchio to build a generic framework to be able to use more CV models for Pepper's vision perception. We have tried to connect Pepper to Baidu API to enable mask recognition as picture shows. The last part is the limitation. When programming, we found two limitations that rarely affect our completion of the task. Overly sensitive collision detection causes the robot often out of focus, leads to failure of detection task. That's all. Thank you.
Right. Okay. So can we have our judges to ask some questions?
Okay. Question from Echo.
Okay.
So actually, because I didn't see the video very clearly.
Sorry, pardon.
Did Pepper hold the beverage and deliver it to a customer during the demonstration?
Our team program is stop now.
Yeah, I saw you in your demonstration, and Pepper is a salesman, and to deliver some beverage or other food or something to the customer. What kind of software or language do you use for the program?
Python. We use Python with the Pinocchio.
Okay, so did you face any difficulty?
When we try to allow Pepper to grab the drinks automatically, we found his avoidance avoidance detection.
Okay, how did you fix? How did you fix the problem? Hello? Hello.
Right. I'm not sure if some network trouble for the team. Yeah, I hope the team can reconnect back. All right. Okay. Yeah. So maybe Echo, you can like repeat the last question.
Yeah, my question is because you just said that you face some problem or difficulties during the program. So I just wondering, how did you fix this problem?
We just we use the landmark detection to locate where the drinking is, and we use people to pass the cup to him to solve it.
Okay. Then back to the scenario. I think the overall performance of the paper is very good. So I guess the paper responds very quickly. And if I understand correctly, you use a wave detection, right?
Yes, wave detection.
So, yeah, then I think paper is doing well when you use, so the wave detection is successfully used in paper. But when we talk about the scenarios, maybe in a canteen, there will be many customers. So paper have obstacle avoidance functions. So I guess maybe we need to consider about this when paper is serving one customer, then when other customer comes, how paper can serve this situation.
We may, if we try to solve this problem, we may use the rows to build the map of the canteen, and we think paper can detection the waving people fastly. So when paper walk to the customer, it will save the location in the map and go back to the bar and go back to the location he saved.
Okay, yeah. If this can be improved, then the whole program will be much better than previous what you did demonstrate us.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. No more question from my side.
Thank you.
All right. So we have another 2 more minutes. Any question from the judges?
Our presentation is in our presentation, the screen is green. Have green.
And it is a green for whole demonstration.
Whole demonstration.
Yes, we couldn't see anything you demonstrate. But we can hear we can hear what paper communicate. Sure.
是哪个？没有。是吗？是啊。是头疼。
你们要共享屏幕吗？
共享，但是没有出来这个。Okay, we can't share the movie. Okay, oh yes. When waving, he checked the people. Okay. Then he scans the people and identical authentication. He will order the food. And then he detects the available seat by landmark detection and go back to the bar. And our mates will pass the cup to him. Then he will go back.
Right. Okay.
So
That's all.
The end of the presentation.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, so a big applause to all the teams. All right, thanks a lot. And so we have done all the presentation for today, and thanks a lot for all your cooperation for all the teams, and also thanks to all the jury member. So before we close and end this session, right? So I'm back here. So I'm Jeffrey. So I'm taking over the host Jerry to do the closing for today's online challenge. Right. But before we end the session, I would like to call upon all the judges. So if you are convenient, I would like you to turn on your webcam, because like this is the time that I want to introduce you. And also I would like to invite you to give some comment or any suggestion or any feedback for our teams, because they have tried their best, although sometimes they might have some difficulty online and the line is not smooth. But this is the challenge, right, during the post-pandemic. And they are trying very best to do their presentation with real robot demonstration. So if you have any things that you can actually suggest to the team to improve, I think that is the process of learning that we want to see in this RoboCup at home education. Right. So can I call upon all the judges that I would like to introduce you one by one? Right. So maybe I would like to start with Echo. Right. So can I have Echo Chiu from SoftBank Robotics China, and all the other judges, please turn on your camera if you are comfortable. All right. Yeah. So first, I would like to invite Echo Chiu from SoftBank Robotics China. All right. So maybe you want to introduce yourself first, and also you give some comment about the presentation and also the teams today. Yes, Echo, you need to unmute your mic.
Okay, this is Echo from
yes.
SBRC. So sorry, my camera was broken. Then I have to use the laptop of my colleagues. So you may say my name is Yifan, but actually I'm Echo.
Yeah, no problem, because my name is also Jerry now. Yeah, I'm okay. Also switching because like my terminal, the Wi-Fi is not stable and it's going to offline anytime.
Okay.
Right.
So actually, for some team, I already gave the suggestion during the Q&A section, especially for Nongning University. Yeah, they actually they did very well. That is over my expectation. But I mean, this is only in the technical part. But when we consider to use this program to the reality, the content management platform, and how did they allocate the user role for this part? If they also can show in the whole demonstration, that would be very good. Yeah. But the other things about the two teams, they didn't demonstrate robots during the competition. I guess maybe they will lose mark for this part. But actually, their program is very, very well for that. And for the other team is Wen Ziyuan. Yeah. Actually, for them, it's very good, and they also show the demonstration. But the best thing is when they show the demonstration, the whole screen is green. So we cannot see anything, but we heard what the paper talk. I guess they spent much time on that. That's very good. Also, and the response of the paper is very, very good. So we think they do quite a lot of improvement on that. But the same thing is with Ononglin that when they do the program, they also may think how to adapt it to the realities. We cannot suppose that the canteen only have one customers, so the paper can deliver the food or deliver the beverage to the customer directly. Yeah. Okay. Then for the 3 team of the primary school, and the surprise thing is from the Maiyuqiao primary school. They use the choreograph instead of the Roblox. That's really amazing. I don't know how many effort they spend to learn choreograph, and they're well prepared, and they have the beginning, and they have the demonstration, and they have ending. But there's some connection problems, so they cannot fully present during the competition time. But if they can join this competition for next year, I think they will perform very better. Yeah. And the other 2 team is from Shengli primary school, and they also did very well. Oh, sorry. So actually, but the only thing I think they need to approve that the whole presentation is little bit short. They didn't fully use the time we given to a team, and I think their idea for the whole project is very good. Then if they can think more, or if they can talk more, if they can invite more people to their team, I think the results will be different. But overall, their performance is good. Yes. That's right. Everything from my side.
Yeah, right. Thanks a lot. And it's a very kind words from you. And I can see it's very encouraging for the team, especially like, yeah, I agree with you that the primary they show what they can do with the digital age. And also, I also really look forward to work more with SoftBank to see like how we can actually provide a good learning platform for the kids, younger kids, so that they can actually learn robotics and AI. Right. So thanks a lot. Thanks, Echo, for your very active participation today. Like I can see like you keep asking questions and so on. Right. So I hope like all your suggestions will be very useful for the team to improve themselves. And we really look forward like next year we can have more teams and they can actually do better. But this year, of course, like the online challenge actually give a lot of resistance. Like even my Wi-Fi connection is not good over here. And also I'm actually running the on-site workshop now downstairs. So actually I take turn with Jerry to actually run this event. Right. So thanks a lot, Echo. And let's listen to the next jury member. So can we have Dan Huang from Jupiter Robot China?
Okay.
Right. So I'll add you to Spotlight.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Dante from Jupiter Robot. It's been an honor to join the jury of RoboCup at home education. And as a robotics engineer, I would like to see new ideas for robotics, not videos. Anyway, all teams did a great job today, and that's wonderful. Thank you.
Right. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Dan. And also, I would like to gratitude that because Dan actually helped me for the setup days and so on to make everything smoothly run. And also, I think like next time maybe we need to add in more verification item in the setup day, so that because like I can see many teams they actually have connection problem, they're not able to share their screen properly, the audio problem, and we hope to actually improve from the organizer point of view. We hope that we can actually improve this so that to minimize this kind of error in future. Right? Okay. So thanks a lot, Dan Huang from Jupiter Robot. And also, okay, so the next jury member is for today is actually Jerry, but he's currently running the workshop down there. So he's actually from Latte Robotics Singapore, and also he's actively promoting the AI education through Jupiter Robots and also SoftBank Robotics Pepper Robot for the Southeast Asia country. So this time, hopefully, we can actually promote this to more community in local Thai region. Okay, so talking about Thai region, so I'm very happy that we have one jury member from Thai. So Mr. Vaston, I'm not really sure. Yeah, Vaston.
You can call me Jay.
Yeah, sure. So maybe I would like to invite you to introduce yourself and also give some comment about the performance today, right?
Yeah, okay. Hello, my name is Vasuthorn Siriakon. So you can call me Jay. I'm a staff in Kasetsart University, and I'm doing about the underwater robot research. So for all the team, that's the I think it's like Dan say, if you can show the live demonstration, not just showing a video, which might be better. And other thing is, I don't know that they know how to share the screen with the computer audio in the Microsoft team. They can share with the computer audio. This might be better too. For the first team, I from the I don't know how to pronounce it. It's SPL number 3 from the it's very impressive. It's a very good presentation. I think it's well prepared for the presentation. Yeah, and also the other team, but some team did not have the technical presentation. You just talk how the project come, but they don't have how to solve this or how to, like this, something like that. Yeah, it's my comment. So.
All right, thanks a lot. That I got to know like you have a very technical point of view. Yes, indeed that this presentation is not just about robot demonstration, but also we are actually trying to solve some problem scientifically and technically. So maybe and this time actually I explained in a very rapid just now in a very fast because of the time constraint. But this time we actually have or should say normally we will have internal and external jury for our judging team. Okay, and the purpose why we have this is because like we know that for at home education or at home, we are building service robot that to serve the public. So in order to serve the public, we need to have the opinion from a general point of view, right? A general public community. And also, we also need viewpoint from the expert. So for example, like people like you that will look at the technical development of the teams. So with these 2 points of view, then the team will actually have more consideration so that the robot, first, it need to be technically good in order to solve scientific problem. But at the same time, it also still need to keep the user friendliness of the overall development so that the robot or the application that they develop are suitable to be deployed in the real world. Because like they are going to like every day, which is on the list, we have Luca from Italy and also Amy from USA, that they will actually look through the recording after this, and they will do the offline judging. Okay, and they are very veteran they're actually like both like trustee from RoboCup Federation, and they actually serve as the jury chair for RoboCup at home. So they are here to actually to make sure that our team actually can meet the technical competency or a good quality in terms of the RoboCup quality, right? So I believe that with this kind of arrangement, our team will eventually grow and they can learn a lot of very useful skill and to meet what the world standard is required. Right. So today, thanks once again. I would like to thank all the jury member. We announce the winner at the end of the on-site challenge. So which means after the on-site challenge completed, which is next week, because like this week is actually pre-RoboCon. Pre-RoboCup. So RoboCup officially is starting from next week 11, and then it will end at 16. Right. So we will have our award ceremony as the 16th. So for our this online challenge, we will gather the score and then we will do the review, and then we will somehow come to the ranking, and we will announce the award during the final award ceremony. Right. So I hope the comment and everything from the judges don't really encourage or discourage any team. So hopefully they can still like pay a lot of attention with what we are going to run after this. Because after this, we are actually having the on-site event as well, and we have also SP and also OP. So the Pepper team will have the real world competition here in Bangkok next week, right? So I hope like all the team will be look forward for this. And in fact, we actually just received 10 peppers from SoftBank that we're actually running the workshop actually this whole week. So hopefully like this, we will broadcast after this to share with all the community. And today's the online challenge is part of this. So thanks a lot, all the support from the sponsor. Thanks a lot for Jupiter Robot and also for SoftBank Robotics. And also thanks a lot all the community LOC today to help out hosting and all the thing. So and we will see what the teams are going to present tomorrow, right? So thanks a lot, and I will see you later, right? See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks a lot.